So children, yesterday I was discussing about distance. So what is the distance, children? Original path covered by the body. Original path, what you cover. Okay. Original path covered by the body is called as distance, children. And distance formula is equal to speed into time, provided it is uniform speed only. We have to use this formula. If it is uniform speed, then speed should not change in the middle. If it is uniform speed, you can use this formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. And what are its units, children? Speed is measured in meters per second. Time is second. Okay, children. So what are the units of distance, children? Distance is measured as meters or kilometers or centimeters. And remember, distance is a scalar quantity, children. Distance is a scalar quantity. Okay, basing on this, distance is equal to speed into time. I will do some numericals, children. Yesterday also we were doing some numericals. Some more numericals we will do. I will be asking one by one each. Everyone should say, children. First numerical. Everyone should cooperate with me, children. If you don't know also, I will help you. But please see here, children. First question. Find distance if a body is moving with a speed of 10 meters per second for 2 seconds. Okay. Yashika, what is the find distance here? Distance is equal to?
Distance is equal to speed into time, sir.
So?
Speed is equal to 10 and time is equal to 2. So 20 meters is the distance.
Children, this is meters per second. This is also second. You can do the sum, children. They should be in same units. If I say meters per second, this also should be in seconds only. Second sum. Dikita, you tell.
Yes, sir.
Find distance. Its speed is 2 kmph. For 2 hours, it is traveling. For 2 hours. For 2 hours. This is kmph. This is hours. You can use. Yeah. Distance is equal to. Distance is equal to. Speed is how much, Amma? 2 into. Speed is 2, Nana. Time is
2.
Time is 2. Answer?
4
kilometers. 4 kilometers. Next, Narayana. Find distance moved
Yes,
by the
sir.
body. The speed is 2 meters per second and time is 2 minutes. Time
Okay,
is 2
sir.
minutes. So distance is equal to?
So speed into time.
What is the speed?
2 meters.
What is the time?
2 minutes.
How to convert minutes to seconds? Into 60. How to
Into
convert
60.
minutes to seconds? How to convert minutes to seconds?
2 into 60.
So 4 is 240 meters. Next question, Jitin. Find distance traveled by the body moving at a speed of 10 meters per second in 3 hours. Jitin.
Distance equals to speed into time.
What is the
Which
speed?
is, sir, kilometer minus 1. Sorry, 10 kilometer.
10 meters per second.
10 meter per second.
Okay, time is 3 hours.
Time is 3 hours.
How to convert hours to seconds? How to
3 hours
convert hours to
means
seconds?
90 minutes. 90 minutes.
How to convert hours into seconds?
Hours into seconds means
60 into 60.
sir, 60 into 60.
Okay, so
3 into
3 6
6.
are 18 children. 18 6 are 108.
108 00.
Yes. Okay, children. So, children, try to understand. If you want to convert minutes to seconds into 60, if you want to convert hours to seconds into 60 into 60, because 1 hour has 3600. Next question, Srigari.
Yes, yes.
Find distance traveled if a body is moving at the speed of 60 kmph. 60 kmph in 1 minute. In 1 minute.
Distance is equals to speed into time.
Very good. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is how much?
60
Time is how much?
kilometer per
Minute.
1
This is
minute.
hours. How to
Hours.
convert minutes to hours?
1 in
Minutes to hours.
1 divided
Very good. 1 divided by 60.
by 60.
Yeah, minutes to hours by 60 children. Minutes to hours by 60 children. Okay, so 60 bond. Answer is 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
Very good. Next. Sixth one. Find distance traveled by the body. If the speed is, find the distance traveled by the body. If the speed is 3600 meters per second and in 1 hour. In 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour. Sudeep,
Yes, sir.
distance is equal to
Sir, 3,600 meters, sir.
speed into time. Speed is how much?
Sir, speed equal to 3,600 meters, sir.
In 1 hour, how many seconds are there?
Sir, it is 60 into 60, sir.
No, 1 by 60 into 6. Yeah. Okay, correct. In 1 hour, how many seconds are there?
60 into 60, sir.
Very good. 60 into 60. Okay, 60 into 60. So if you multiply all these things, you will get meters. In 1 hour, 3600 seconds are there. Why are you taking 3600 seconds, children? Because this is meters per second. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Next. Seventh sum, children. Find the distance traveled by the body. Yeah. If a body is moving at 120 kmph in 2 hours. Okay. So, yeah. Srikari, can you tell this?
Yes, sir. Distance is equal to speed into time.
Speed into time.
So 120 into
This is ours, this is ours. So, happily we can do 240
240 kilometers.
240 kilometers. Next. Sahasra, can you do this sum, 8th sum? Try,
Yes.
Nana. If you don't know, I will help. Find the distance, find the speed. This time I want speed. This time I want speed. When body is traveling 100 meters in 2 seconds.
Okay, sir.
The same formula, Distance is equal to speed into time. Can you tell how to do? Distance, how much I gave?
100 meters, sir.
100 is equal to S into time. How much I gave time?
Time 250.
2 seconds.
Okay, 2
This is into no, Nana. If it comes here,
division
so 100 by 2 is how much?
of
50 meters. No problem, Nana. Slowly you can do so many sums. I'll make you do. You will time. No problem.
okay, sir.
Don't worry at all.
Okay.
This is only beginning. Next sum, children. Next sum. Sahasra, you only tell easy sum. Find speed. When distance traveled is 2 kilometers. When distance traveled is 2 kilometers in 2 hours. In 2 hours. Same formula, Nana. Tell distance is equal to speed into time. Sahasra, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Come on.
2 by 2,
Okay.
that is equal to 1, sir.
So this is 2. Speed into 2. So this 2 comes here. So
2 by
2. Answer 1
1.
kilometer per hour. Because this is kilometers, this is hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay. Next question. Next, Sudeep. Find the time.
Yes, sir.
When a body is moving with 200 kmph. Speed is 200 kmph. Speed is 200 kmph in 4 kilometers. It is covering 4 kilometers. Find time. Same formula. Distance how much?
Sir, distance is
4. Speed is how much?
sir, 200 kmph, sir.
So bring this 200 down, Nana. What happens?
4 by 200, sir.
That is how much?
Sir, 1 by 50, sir.
1 by 50 hours. It will take 1 by 50 hours.
Okay, sir.
Try to understand, children. 1 by 50 hours. Children, are you able to understand, children? Slowly I'm making you do so many numericals. This many sums you will not get in your textbooks, children. Now only I'm telling. Next sum. Last 5 sums I will discuss, children. After that, I will give homework. You should only do on your own. In the description of this video, I will keep so many sums, children. You can practice. Yeshika,
Yes.
find the distance covered if body is moving 10 meters per second for 2 hours. For 2 hours.
Yes. So
Distance is equal to?
distance is equal to speed into time, sir. And
Distance is equal to?
speed into time, sir.
Okay.
And the speed is 10 meters per second,
And
but the time is 2 hours.
How to convert hours to seconds?
Seconds. Sir, into 16 to 60.
So 2 6 12 26 is 72,000 meters.
Yes.
Next, Nikita,
Yes, sir.
find the distance if body moves at the speed of 200 centimeter per second for 2 seconds.
Yes, sir. Distance is equal to speed into time.
Okay.
Speed is equal to 200 centimeters per second. Time is equal to 2 seconds. So 400 centimeters.
Very good. Next, Narayana,
Yes, sir.
find the speed if body covers 200 centimeters in 2 seconds.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Come on.
Sir,
Come on, keep fast.
200 into 25. Speed into 25.
So answer is 100 centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. We are not concentrating Narayana. So Narayana, tell one more sum.
Yes, sir.
Find the time. The
Okay,
body
sir.
covers 2000 centimeters. 2000 centimeters. The body covers with speed of 2 centimeters per second.
Sir, distance equals to speed into time, sir.
Okay.
Distance equals to 2000 equals to 2 centimeters.
So answer is 1000 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Jiten. Jiten, find distance if a body is moving at
Okay, sir.
20 meters per second in 1 minute.
Time equals to 1 minute. Here, distance equals to
Speed is how much?
20,
1 minute will have how many seconds?
60 seconds, sir.
The answer is
60, sir. 1200.
1200 meters. Okay. Next, Srigari,
Yes, sir.
find the time. Okay, in which a body covers 2 kilometers. Body covers 2 kilometers with a speed of 60 kmph.
Distance is equal to speed into time is equals
Okay.
to 2 kilometers into
2 kilometers is equal to
60. Is equals to 60 into t. That is equal to 2 by 60. 1 minute.
1 by 30 hours.
That's
Next, Sudeep. Children, are you able to understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Little bit tough sometimes discussing next, little bit. Not very tough, little confusing, children. Okay. Little confusing. So next sum I will only discuss 17th sum. Please see here, children. 17th sum is like this, children. Be careful. A train 150 meter long. A train is there, children. It is 150 meter long. This is a train 150 meter long. Okay. Is running at speed of 90 kmph. This is running at a speed of 90 kmph. Try to understand. This is running at the speed of 90 kmph, children. Okay. Find the time taken to cross a man. Okay, time taken. Okay, Time taken to cross a man. Man means children, distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is how much, children? 150.
150 meters.
Speed is how much, children?
90.
This is meter. This is kmph. Can anyone say how to convert kmph to meters per second? Do anyone of you know, children, how to convert kmph to meters per second? Children, kmph to meters per second into 5 by 18 we should do always. Why you should do into 5 by 18, I'll teach you next class. If you want to convert kmph to meters per second, multiply into 5 by 18. So children, 18 5s are, so answer is 150 by 5 5 25. So answer is 6 seconds. The train will take to cross this man 6 seconds. Okay, same question, same train. Try to understand, children. Same train, 150 meters, traveling with a speed of 5 5 25 meters per second. Because 90 kmph means into 5 by 18 if I do 25 meters per second. How much time does it take to cross a platform of 300 meters? How much time does it take to cross this platform of 300 meters? Yes, children, 300 meters. Yes, children, are you able to understand?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now total distance is equal to, children, same children, distance is equal to speed into time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Now distance is 150 plus 300. How much?
Sir, 450 meters.
By 25.
Wait,
So how much, children? 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 2200. 25 eights are. So 18 seconds it will take to cross a platform of 300 meters. To cross a man, it will take 6 seconds. But to cross this entire platform, this plus this you should do, children. So total distance like this you have to. Very, very interesting sum, children. If ever you really understand. Suppose you didn't understand, last one more sum I'm saying, children. A train 280 meters long. This is a train, children. This is 280 meters long. Okay. It is moving at the speed of 63 kmph. 63 kmph. Okay, how much time it will take to cross a pole, and how much time it will take to cross a 210-meter long platform? Okay, Shiva? If you want to cross the pole, time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. What is the distance, children? Only train distance. What is the speed, children?
so
63 into 5 by 18 will go. 63 into 5 by 18 will go. If you simplify this, you will get the answer in seconds. Whereas to cross the platform, what is the total distance, children? What is the total distance? 280 plus 210, 490 by 63 into 5 by 18. Dash seconds it will take to cross the platform. To cross the pole, take only train length. To cross the platform, take both the lengths. To cross the pole, take only train length. To cross the platform, take both the lengths and then you add it. Slowly, if you keep on practicing, you will get like this, some children. So, this children, what I will do, I'll share this video with you, children. In this video, I have done so many numericals, children. All that numericals you just go through, you try to practice, you will understand, children.